air compressor.
Hi, this project is a solar based air compressor. In this project we are using 8051 as a controller, and this is a voltage divider circuit. This is a voltage divider circuit. This one, and these are switches to on and off for this air compressor. This is air compressor, and this is solar panel. This is battery. Okay, and this is power supply to these relay and directly connected to this air compressor, and we will see how it operates. See here, voltage is showing is 12 volts, and compressor is now it's in off condition. If we press this switch, see, this will on. Yeah, see, now it's in off mode. Again on. Okay, again I am going to press on. See, you have to press this and hold this until it, we see off. Switch we have to press and hold. Okay, thank you.